Hi everybody. I wanted to see the insides of a rainbird solenoid. Um, One of the valve over there uh, broke at one function, so I changed the solenoid, but I wanted to see what was inside it, and there was no easy way to do it. So here's what I did. I basically had to rip it apart using a hammer, and a screwdriver, and you can see the pieces there, and this is how it looks. You can see the coil inside, and a couple of plates there, and it's like this here at the bottom, and this I think is that solenoid piece in the center that goes down to open the valve, but it's all one piece, so it's not meant to be dismantled. But I was curious anyway, and I did not find any videos showing how to do it. No wonder, because it cannot be dismantled. Thank you.